What's up you guys, it's Jacob here, and today I'm going to show you guys exactly how much money my viral YouTube video made me. This is a video that has around 1 million views, and it's from my second channel, which is my singing channel, so it's in the music niche. And yeah, today I want to show you guys exactly how much I made from that. So let's hop into my computer and get started. So right here you can see how the video did in the first 30 days of posting. So as you guys can see, I posted this in June in 2016, and to begin with it got around 100 views per day, so not a lot, and then it grew to around 200 views per day in the first 30 days, and in the first 30 days I made a whopping $4. So not really that impressive. So now I want to show you guys how it did in the first 90 days. So let's change this to... So as you guys can see, in the first 90 days it's starting to pick up a little bit. It's starting to gain some momentum, and it grew to around 500-600 views per day. And in the first 90 days it made me $42, so a little bit better, starting to gain some momentum, but still not that impressive. It's not really like viral type crazy money. So yeah, when you post a video on YouTube, it doesn't necessarily take off right away. It might take a month, it might take a year, maybe even longer to really take off. Some videos take off right away. Yeah, it varies a lot depending on the video. In this case, it took a long time for it to actually pick up. So now I actually want to show you guys how long it actually took for it to take off and how much I made in the whole lifespan of the video. So let's change this to lifetime. And as you guys can see, it got around 500 views per day for a long time. And it wasn't until July 2018 that it actually took off. And suddenly it got 2,500 views per day. And as you guys can see, it made me $1,900. So not too bad, especially when you think about how long it actually took me to make this video. I think I spent around an hour to make this video, so $2,000 per hour, that's not too bad. So yeah, but yeah, as you guys can see, it took 2 years before it actually took off. So yeah, sometimes you just need to put out a lot of videos. It might seem like those videos don't really get a lot of views, but you never know when the videos are gonna take off. Maybe your old videos are just gonna gain a lot of views suddenly. So yeah, be patient and keep posting. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today. So yeah, I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.